等那呢，协同个荷兰波兰这的些比英语热，但当然那中国这块多，阿拉这块年纪差个我呢，这的些人比过人多。等那协同个荷兰波兰的呢，荷兰家看呢，大瓦东。些把东北面呢两三节里在这里头，现在大俺这这个些东在人那出国人呢，我才了么是在俺也比高定个没不能了，菠萝等在那干嘛头发的都，现在些东个荷兰菠萝的呢，天当不俺去家是里在人中能了去把这些。中国队，中国队，中国队。
获得本场比赛胜利的是中国队，让我们把掌声送给双方运动员。
首先非常开心，我们能拿下这场小组赛的第3名，赢了美国队。因为昨天可能在失利的状态下，我们进行了调整并总结原因。然后今天在防守端跟进攻端的配合做得都很好，防守做得也很好，积极的防守。然后今天大家的手感也都非常不错，命中率超级高。然后大家也非常团结，有很好的沟通，赢得了这场比赛，所以我们非常开心。那接下来比赛我们也会努力去拼，争取一下资格赛。
Today was a very tough competition. China played very well, and this whole korfball competition over the last couple of days has been really great. Our team from the USA, USA Beach Korfball, has been here in Chengdu about 1 week. Getting ready for the World Games. Korfball, it's a cousin of basketball, and it's very nice. You put the ball in the hoop, just like basketball, but the hoop is higher. Instead of 10 feet, 11.5 feet. There's no backboard. You can shoot all around the hoop. There's no dribbling, tanjap meka, so just pass, and it's men and women play together, so it's very nice.